Hi, I'm Aaron Scott, your host here at Smart Money Insights. We're all about smarter moves for a wealthier future. Let's get started. Ever feel like buying a stock is only for financial experts? The truth is you don't need a fancy suit or a finance degree. You just need a plan and a few minutes. Let's break it down. First, set a goal. Are you saving for retirement? A house? Something else? Knowing your why helps you choose the right kind of investments and how much risk you can handle. Second, pick a brokerage account. Most beginners choose low-cost apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Schwab. They're easy to use, and many offer fractional shares, so you can start with just $5 or $10. Third, fund your account. This usually means linking your bank and making a small deposit. Some platforms even offer free stock just for signing up. Fourth, choose a stock. Start with what you know, companies you use or believe in. Look up their financials, check the latest news, and ask yourself if you'd still want to own it in 5 years. Fifth, place your order. Use a market order to buy instantly or a limit order if you want to set a price. And yes, you can buy just a slice of a share if that's all your budget allows. Buying your first stock doesn't have to be scary. Start small, stay curious, and think long term. For more smart money insights, be sure to subscribe.